lips. Take a little sip, privacy on the door. I'ma make this shit grip. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. That bitch, I'ma ride a dick all night. A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe. That's my type, nigga, that's my type. New wrist, new whip, right around dipped. I can see why.
Pause. It's your boy Joe Ratchet here. You might be wondering how I got myself into this situation. Well, it's time to tell you about my Jollibee party.
Hey everyone, it's a jolly evening to each every one of us. Welcome here to the one and only Jollibee Sukat Road as we celebrate for our welcoming party celebration. Everybody, palakpakan naman natin mga sarili natin.
Alright everyone, my family threw me and my sister a surprise party at Jollibee. They rented out a room in the restaurant to celebrate our visit back to the Philippines. A Jollibee party is a party filled with a bunch of minute-to-win-it games, just like a typical Filipino game show. There's games, dancing, laughing. We even did a little runway show where we joked around. Just like any Filipino party, you had to work it, joke around some more, show off again. But you know me out here, shaking my thing, entertaining my family, being the life of the party or whatever. Bam! Aside from that, prizes are given out to those who play the games. I got a pencil pouch, a bag with Jollibee's face on it, and even a tumbler. It was fun having dinner and getting time to spend with my mom's side of the family. But this wasn't the only Jollibee party we went to in the Philippines. We also spent some time with my dad's side while celebrating baby Marcus's first birthday. But, of course, how could I forget about the food? I enjoyed my chicken joy with spaghetti and shared it with the love of my life. Special moments like this is what I will cherish for the rest of my life.
Thank you so much, everyone.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Thing is a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing.
Sinong artista ang gusto mo maging kamukha?